Merry Christmas everyone! Today I brought you Christmas special plum cake recipe. So let's get started. Here I took a bowl. I have added 50 grams of walnuts, 50 grams of black raisins, 50 grams of brown raisins, 50 grams of green raisins, 25 grams of blueberries, 50 grams of almonds finely chopped, 50 grams of tutti frutti and 50 grams of cashews. Now we will soak them in orange juice for 24 hours. Now here I have took 1/4 cup of sugar in a pan on low to medium flame. We will melt the sugar until it's some brown in color. Now you can see the sugar has turned brown in color. Now we will add 1/4 cup of jaggery in it. We will cook it for 10 to 15 minutes until it's black in color. Now as you can see, our blackjack has become black in color. Now we will let it cool. So now after it has cooled, I am adding 150 ml of water in it. Now turn on the flame again on low to medium and while mixing it well, we will cook it so that it attains a sugar syrup consistency. Now we have to cook it for at least 10 minutes. So now we will transfer it to another bowl so that it cools completely. After cooling, our blackjack is ready for use. Now here I took a bowl. I have placed a sieve over it. Now I am adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida in it. Half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of clove powder, 1/4 teaspoon of jaffle or nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. Sieve it well. Let's keep it aside. So after 24 hours, you can see the fruits have become plump and they have become soft. Now, as the fruits are plump and soft in texture, we will separate the orange juice that we have put in it for soaking. Now, here I have taken a pan on low medium flame. I am adding 50 ml of orange juice in it, 100 grams of butter, 50 ml of blackjack that we have prepared early. Two teaspoons of brown sugar in it. Let it cook on low to medium flame. So now our mixture is ready. Now we will turn off the flame. Now I am adding the soaked dry fruits in it and half cup of condensed milk. One teaspoon of vanilla essence in it. Mix it well. Our wet mixture is ready. Now we will transfer it whole in the dry mixture that we have made of maida and all the spices. Now mix it well. Now as you can see, our batter's consistency is just perfect. It has pouring consistency. So now we will transfer our batter into a cake mold. Now we will garnish it with some dry fruits. Now after garnishing we will bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. So after baking, here is our sponge. I have cooled it for 1 hour. So after cooling you can see. Now I have decorated it. You can see how much beautiful it looks. So our Christmas plum cake is ready. For decorating it, I have used some ribbons, flowers and powdered sugar. Now you can see from inside its texture. It is full of dry fruits, evenly distributed in it, and it's cooked well. So if you liked this video of Christmas plum cake, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe Manita's cooking classes. Thank you.